Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now, as you know, Dwayne is a person that likes to joke a lot, and so he's on his live. He was talking about insects and stuff like that. So he's saying that he wants to get some cockroaches, some scorpions, some centipedes, to change his diet and eat. As you know, he's joking. So go catch the video and see what he has to say on that. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And we do have memberships available where you can go and purchase. Have a wonderful night.
No truth no. Why that me say you me have to change my diet and start them chicken, pork and oxtail and start them two insect because it's cockroach good for you. And me ear say, and when I'm telling you, grasshopper good for you too. It's a damn good protein. And that me here, darlings. And that me here. Listen, me all that talk to me here. Me all that talk to me here. And matter of fact, somebody go Google and say grasshopper and cockroach can't eat. Because me say can't eat. Me say can't eat. Me say can't eat. So you know what? Backside, the people, them are frog. Them are monkey. Listen, them anything. All you go on them, and they fry cockroaches, and they fry grasshopper too. The people. Listen, I am searching for roaches. I am searching I'm searching for it all. If we have any in our house and want to get rid of them, just bag them up for me and send it to me in London, England, because I want to change up my protein. Yes, send to me the girl. Hey, me I want them two fatty leg. Oh no, fatty leg. Me want them two fatty leg too, and two scorpion and cut out this thing. Block Sharon. Sharon, you give me ideas now. Then curry watch nice. Curry watch most nice. Me forgot some of my African friend. Me forgot. Let me take that back. It makes me look. Let me take that back. Let me take it back. But me forgot some of my friend name. If curry watch nice. Come here, so then them curry watch too. For true. Yes, what in. Yeah. Vitamin C, D, E, F, G, A, all of them, girl, all of them, from here right up to Z. And here's an insect, gear, all of them things. So yeah, man, for it, people like and share. Like and share. Alright, thank you, like and share. Honest to God, social media is not a real place. It is not a real place. Like, it's just not a real place. And I don't know why it's not a real place. It's just not. Miss one piece of hullabaloo, one big hullabaloo on social media. Father God, it's me again. And that Mr. Master, that Mr. Donna, you give me ideas, girl, you give me ideas. Somebody to find me ants calling me and freeze the colony, dig up the colony and freeze it and send to me so I can put chocolate on me and them. Come me ears, they have good protein. Yes, they have good protein for sure. What me say people say? When I say that. Oh yes, my active to talk to them about. You are get there 200 people so we can go down some things. 200 people so we can go down some things. 200. Otherwise, we can save for the nightlife. You understand? Cause see, I'm gonna look good down. Yeah, I'm really here. All natural. Not for them I have to wear wigs and weaves to look like me. Poor things. Like they're in competition with me for long hair. Long hair don't care. Whoa, me body, me chest, me clitoris. I am so blessed My soul is at rest. Hey, God love me now. God love me. God love me. I say God love this year. Lean up, boy. Me not care what nobody say. God love me and God have it under me. Yeah. Blessed have it flow like a river. Blessed have it flow like a river. What do that song, man? That song, man. That song, man. What Curly say? Some girl throwing words on Facebook about giving away 48,000. Tell them. I used to get to that. Hold on, look at me that. I used to get to that. Hold on. Some girl throwing words on Facebook about giving away 48,000 and go to a plastic surgeon and go scalp out the fat between her. Then I would Curly come from the line, come. Oh Lord, it can't come on because I'm using a whole different app. I'm using a whole different app to do my lives. Because I realize some things. Nobody send a request. You know what, I'm going to do a live later. I want you to come for my life. Come here, more dialogue with it. More dialogue with the girl. More have a jolly good old time with you and talk some things. Understand? Right there, sir. Honest to God, I feel like say so 2000. Yeah, later on though, I'm gonna do a live later. I'm why you come up on my live. You see 2023. I really thought that the year was gonna. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong, right? Don't get me wrong. I expected some kind of kerfuffle. Let's use that word, kerfuffle. Right? I expected it. But not so soon. We are literally day 4 of the year. And the people them are being like say, they're like some schoolyard. Like, I don't understand. What's wrong? Is this how someone really plan to live your lives for the rest while you are on social media? Let me ask you guys a genuine question. While you guys are on social media, right? For however long that is, I don't know. Let's just say 10 years, for the next 10 years. Is this how people as a collective plan to live their lives? Seriously? Don't you guys get bored? Or not get bored? Because me, I swear to God, me not tell them no lie. Don't get me wrong, me love Mixup, me love Mixup. Me love Mixup, me love it. Me live, breathe, and sleep Mixup. I do.